For linear valances that require a fabric join, there's a special process that we're going to go through. Lay the first piece exactly as you have previously, pushing the edges underneath the top and bottom ridges of the linear valance. Use a vertical hanger to press the fabric in underneath that ridge. Lay the second piece of fabric over the top, giving you an overlap. Noting where the join is, make a single clean cut through both layers of fabric. Peel back the upper edge to get rid of what's underneath. Make sure the Stanley knife is sharp, very sharp to go through both layers. Press the two edges together. Done.